In the last video, I showed you how to add images. In this one, I'm going to show you how to add links. Links take people to other sites, but one thing you don't want is long URLs with a million different characters in it. So you probably want to just type out the name of the website or say click here and have them click the word here and it would get them to a website. So let's do something like that. So I'll type out a sentence. The New York Times is a news website. So what would happen is we would probably want people to be able to click the words New York Times and have it take them to the New York Times website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click and highlight the words New York Times. We're going to go up here to this little button that looks like a paperclip, the insert link button. Click it. And you can see the http:// that's already there for us. So we can just type in nytimes.com because that is the web address of the New York Times. Obviously, if it were another website, you'd type in whatever website you'd want, and then you'd press Add Link. So you can see it's a different color. That's hypertext right here. So we are actually going to preview this right now. So this is what our blog post would look like if it were posted. So you can see the New York Times is the news site. The New York Times is hypertext now, so if we click it, it takes us right to the New York Times website. So that's a good way to do it. Let's go back. And now we're back to the post. So let's say you had something really long in your web browser, some sort of really long URL, and you wanted to put it in. Well, first I'm actually going to show you how to undo a link before I get to that. So if we wanted to take off the New York Times, all you do is press the unlink button, which looks like a paperclip split apart, and it undoes it. Now we have a chance to be able to redo this if we wanted to. So we're actually going to redo it, so we highlight it again. Let's copy and paste a link this time though. So I have a really long URL open here. Right click and press copy. Go to the little paperclip button, the add link button. Right click and paste. And then we press add link. And that's all it is. So to highlight regular text and make it hypertext is the paperclip button. To undo it, it's the one where it looks like the paperclip is splitting apart. You can type in the URL, or you can copy and paste it from another tab or window from another web browser. So that's the quick and dirty on how to add links. And it's really easy and really a very useful tool, and I'm pretty sure there's no reason not to use it. Everyone loves links and going to other websites, so it's a great tool to have.